Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Last year we had a lot of plumerias in our garden, but due to the heavy rainfall and lack of nutrition, their health was very poor and there were very few blooms in the plant. And the flowers that were blooming were a very small size, not as big as we used to get. The plant was also big and it was planted in a big pot. But whenever it was windy, the plants used to fall down. But as the plants kept on falling again and again, the plants broke. That's why we are taking these cuttings and planting them in a new pot. So in today's video, I'll be telling you some care that you can take before winter season. Oh, and look at this plant that we found. It has red flowers. We had planted this plant in another pot in rainy season and it already had roots. And do you know the weeds here are also very important? This plant is not just weeds, it is Bhumi Amla and it is a herbal plant. And do you know it has many health benefits? Not only that, it also makes your skin and hair better. Look, this is the aloe vera and we just cut a fresh new leaf. And now we are cutting it into more small slices. Let me tell you why we need these pieces. Actually, plumeria plant is in dormancy season during winter, and during dormancy period we cannot give any type of fertilizers or manures to your plant because the plant is in sleeping mode. Also, many leaves shed off the plant and there are rarely any flowers in plant. But as we have just planted our plants from cutting and we have not given any fertilizers or manures, we are giving a slow releasing manure. We are giving it right now because the next time we will be giving any fertilizer is after spring, which is next year. Do you know you can use these fresh aloe vera leaves in 2 to 3 ways? First way, you have to take all the jelly from the aloe vera, then put it in the grinder. And when it becomes a smooth paste, you have to give that to your plants. Or with that gel, just dilute it with water and give it to your plants. Or just give the aloe vera pieces in your plants like this. Do you know these aloe veras have many benefits for your plants? Like, it's a natural rooting hormone. It can be used for antifungal protection. Not only that, it's a really good plant growth booster. And there's many more benefits. Oh, and if you're directly adding the aloe vera to the soil, make sure that it is very far away from the roots. Also, don't forget to cover it with soil. In this way, it will slowly get composted. Until your plants gets the nutrition, it will be 1 to 2 months. That's why it is a really good slow releasing fertilizer. This is because the plants get its nutrition as well as it is not disturbed during the dormancy period. Like this, we have given to every of our plumeria plants and covered it with soil. That's it. Now just water your plants. After this, all of our plants had some new baby leaves. And we really hope that in next season it will flower a lot. That's it. If you also have the same problem, make sure that you follow these steps. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.